Here when I'm beginning this turn, here I'll be beginning it just from back ochos. When I step with my right foot here, I know I'm about to be turning. I pivot on my right, cross my left in front, as I lead her to take a back cross. And my left foot should be hitting the floor. At the exact same moment, her left foot hits the floor. And notice at this point, we're kind of round up. We got a lot of compression in our bodies here. So it's like a compress and release. Or we could also think about it as quick, slow. We also have another timing issue. Right here. When she steps forward with her left, I'm stepping forward with my left. And we need to hit the floor at the same time so that we can come around with a lot of energy. One important thing here with this move is the placement of our foot both here and here. I want to give her room to pivot and come around and then back in front of me. So, I can't, if I put this foot here, too close to her, and that's going to make it very difficult for her to get around me. So this move should have sort of a swooshing feeling to it. It should be whoosh, whoosh. Her steps are going to be back, side, forward, 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 and out.